This model uses 4C batteries that are not included. You can choose between 3 modes. Let's see what they do. If you select number 1, you will be able to see only the flashing light. As you can see, there is no sound, but only the flashing light. Now, if you select number 2, you will be able to hear sound and see the visual flashing light. And now, if you select number 3, you will be able to hear only the sound. You can also choose from different doorbell sound. You can also buy a wireless motion detector. If someone's coming, your doorbell will alert you.